I bought it in 2014. I'd had a few Boxers myself before that and a 996 Carrera 4S. But I'd always hankered after a air-cooled car, and my friend happened to know one come available, so whenever I heard it was for sale, I jumped at the chance to buy it. I'm Ryan Kelly and I drive a Porsche 964 Carrera 2. Always been in the cars since I was a kid. My dad was always in the cars, and I first got into Porsche in 2003 when my dad bought his first one. And the first time I heard it, then that was me hooked. When I bought it, I knew it needed an engine rebuild, so I bought it knowing that it was going to be a bit of a project, and I could, build it the way I wanted it, the way I wanted it to drive. So the initial plan was to use it for hill climbs and sprints. So when I rebuilt the engine, we put bigger pistons and barrels in it, so it's built to 3.8 litre capacity. It's got lightweight flywheel, an RS clutch, short shift kit. I put the lightweight Fuchs wheels on it. Decat on the exhaust, cup pipe.
Dream build?
I'm sitting in it, yeah. There's nothing else really. There's a few more things I would maybe do to this. I'd maybe put the RS bucket seats in it, but I have two little girls, and once the buckets go in, then they'll not be able to get into the back of it, so I think it's going to stay the way it is for now.